All right, so let's run it. I'm ready to run this. So I'll just fire it up in my IDE, start the app, get it up and running. And then I need to make use of that sample purchase JSON that we downloaded a little bit earlier. So I like to run this with Postman and test it out. So let me go ahead and start Postman. And so I'll zoom in here and I'll update my request. So for the one thing I'll do is I'll make it a post method. And then I'll enter the request URL that I have here on the screen. So that's localhost 8080/API/checkout/purchase. And then I'll select body, I'll go to raw and choose the type of JSON. So now we need to add some JSON here for the body. So let me kind of swing back over to my file system, to that downloads directory. And let's open up that sample purchase.json. You can just open it up with any one of your text editors and just copy paste that into Postman. All right, there it is. It's in Postman now. And I'll just do some small little massaging on the customer names here. And then also here is shipping address, billing address. I'll make sure that those are the same addresses here. So I'll just kind of copy some of this stuff. So I'll just kind of copy the shipping address content and put it down here for billing address. All right, so that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and send it across to our API. All right, look at that order tracking number. And that's that UUID, that random UUID that was generated. Oh yeah, I'm happy about that. That's pretty good. And let's swing over to our database and see if this is in our database. So move back to that orders table and run this query again. And oh yeah, so that's the same tracking number that we had in Postman. So I like to say success. So we were successful in storing our purchase order in the database. We can look at some of the other items here. We can take a look at customer. So there's our Susan Smith. Okay, great. And so all of our relationships are working out okay. Address, good. Canada, all right, good, good, good. Order items. Okay, we have 2 items there. Okay, good. Associated with the given order ID. Good. Alrighty, so just kind of standing back and admiring our work, looking here at this checkout controller. Based on our architecture, we have the controller, talking to the service, using that Spring Data JPA repository, and saving information in the database for us. And we also did some custom work here by making use of that custom order tracking number that we generated. So this looks really good. I'm happy. Good job.